Hello, and welcome to another video provided by Easy Compliance Solutions. Today we are going to unfold yet another one of FMCSA's basics. Today's topic is unsafe driving. The Unsafe Driving Basic is one of the 7 categories used in the Compliance, Safety, Accountability (CSA) program of the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration in the United States. It focuses on evaluating the safety performance of commercial motor carriers in relation to unsafe driving behaviors. The Unsafe Driving Basic assesses various violations and incidents related to driver behavior that may contribute to or indicate potential safety risks. Some examples of unsafe driving behaviors that are considered in this category include speeding, exceeding the posted speed limit or driving too fast for the road conditions. Reckless driving, engaging in aggressive or dangerous driving behaviors such as weaving through traffic, improper lane changes, or ignoring traffic signals. Improper lane changes, making unsafe lane changes without signaling or failing to yield right-of-way to other vehicles. Following too closely, tailgating or not maintaining a safe distance from the vehicle in front. Cell phone use, using handheld mobile devices while operating a commercial motor vehicle. Failure to use seatbelts, not wearing seatbelts or failing to ensure that passengers are properly restrained. Other unsafe driving behaviors. This can include various violations such as improper turns, failure to obey traffic control devices, and erratic driving patterns. The FMCSA collects data on these unsafe driving behaviors from various sources, including roadside inspections, traffic citations, and crash reports. Carriers are evaluated based on the frequency and severity of these violations and incidents. The Unsafe Driving Basic is an important measure of a carrier's adherence to safe driving practices. Carriers with a high number of violations or incidents in this category may face increased scrutiny, interventions, or enforcement actions from the FMCSA to address safety concerns and promote safer driving practices. How is the Unsafe Driving Basic calculated? The calculation of the Unsafe Driving Basic, Behavior Analysis and Safety Improvement category in the Compliance, Safety, Accountability (CSA) program involves several steps to assess a carrier's performance in relation to unsafe driving behaviors. Here's an overview of how it is calculated. Data collection. The Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration (FMCSA) collects data from various sources, including inspections, crash reports, and citations related to unsafe driving behaviors. Measurement period. The Unsafe Driving Basic is calculated based on a 24-month measurement period. The FMCSA considers the most recent 24 months of data for each carrier. Severity weighting. Each violation or incident related to unsafe driving is assigned a severity weight. The severity weights range from 1 to 10, with higher weights indicating more severe violations or incidents. Time weight. The severity weights are multiplied by a time weight factor, which decreases as the violation or incident gets older. More recent violations or incidents receive more weight than older ones. Point assignment. The FMCSA assigns points to each violation or incident based on the severity weight and time weight factor. The points are added up for each carrier during the measurement period. Intervention threshold. The FMCSA establishes an intervention threshold for the Unsafe Driving Basic. If a carrier's point total exceeds this threshold, it may trigger interventions such as investigations, audits, or increased scrutiny. It's important to note that the specific calculations and weightings used by the FMCSA for the Unsafe Driving Basic may be subject to changes or updates over time. Carriers should regularly consult the FMCSA's official guidance and regulations for the most accurate and up-to-date information on how the Unsafe Driving Basic is calculated. How to lower your score. To improve your Unsafe Driving Basic score, it's important to focus on promoting safe driving behaviors and reducing violations related to unsafe driving. Here are some steps you can take to improve your score. Driver training and education. provide comprehensive training programs for your drivers to ensure they understand and comply with safe driving practices. Enforcement of policies. Establish clear policies regarding safe driving behaviors and ensure consistent enforcement. This can include penalties for violations, regular monitoring of driver performance, and rewards or recognition for safe driving practices. Safety culture. Foster a culture of safety within your organization. Encourage open communication about safety concerns, provide avenues for reporting unsafe conditions or behaviors, and promote a proactive approach to addressing safety issues. Regular vehicle inspections and maintenance. Maintain a robust inspection and maintenance program for your vehicles to ensure they are in safe operating condition. Regularly check tires, brakes, lights, and other critical components to minimize the risk of mechanical failures that could contribute to unsafe driving situations. Monitoring and utilizing technology. Utilize technology such as telematics systems or driver monitoring systems to track and analyze driver behavior. These systems can provide insights into areas where improvement is needed and allow you to provide targeted feedback and coaching to drivers. Continuous improvement and training. Regularly assess your safety performance, identify areas for improvement, and implement corrective actions. Stay updated on changes in regulations and industry best practices related to safe driving, and incorporate them into your training programs. Addressing root causes. Investigate incidents or violations to identify any underlying issues or systemic problems that may contribute to unsafe driving behaviors. Take steps to address these root causes to prevent future occurrences. By consistently prioritizing safety, implementing effective training programs, enforcing policies, and continuously improving your safety practices, you can work towards improving your unsafe driving basic score and fostering a culture of safe driving within your organization. Thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe to our channel to stay informed on all industry regulations and changes. If you need more help with your company's safety and DOT compliance, you can reach out to us on the following platforms.